Hi there! Welcome to the CompTIA A+ practice questions, Season 1, questions 11 through 15. These questions are designed to test your knowledge and help you prepare for the CompTIA A+ 220-1201 exam. For more practice questions and hands-on tests, visit www.asebstudios.com. Let's get started! Question 11. What is the typical maximum range of NFC, near-field communication technology, in laptops and mobile devices? Is it A, up to 30 meters, 98 feet, B, about 10 meters, 33 feet, C, less than 10 centimeters, 4 inches, or is it D, up to 1 meter, 3.3 feet? The correct answer is C, less than 10 centimeters, 4 inches. NFC, near-field communication, is a very short-range wireless technology, typically functioning at a distance of about 4 centimeters or less. This short range is intentional. It enhances security and reduces the chance of interception during data transfer or authentication. A is incorrect, because 30 meters is far beyond NFC's range. That distance is closer to Bluetooth Class 1 devices, not NFC. B is incorrect because 10 meters is the typical range for Bluetooth Class 2 devices. D is incorrect because 1 meter is still too far for NFC, which requires close proximity to function. Question 12. What is the purpose of the ribbon cable in a laptop keyboard? Is it A, supplies power to the keyboard backlight, B, connects the keyboard to the system board, C, secures the keyboard to the laptop case, or is it D, enables wireless keyboard functionality? The correct answer is B, to connect the keyboard to the system board. The ribbon cable connects the laptop keyboard to the system board, allowing communication between the keyboard and the laptop's processor for input processing. A is incorrect because the ribbon cable handles data, not just backlight power for the keyboard. C is incorrect as the ribbon cable is for electrical connectivity, not physical securing. D is incorrect because laptop keyboards are typically wired, not wireless. Question 13. A technician is disassembling a laptop to replace a faulty storage drive. During the process, they carefully place each screw they remove onto a special pad. Why might the technician use this pad? Is it A, to protect the drive from static electricity, B, to organize and prevent loss of tiny screws, C, to clean the drive's connectors, or is it D, to align the drive with the motherboard? The correct answer is B, to organize and prevent loss of tiny screws. A special pad is used to hold the tiny screws removed when opening a laptop case, preventing loss and ensuring they can be reused during reassembly. A is incorrect because an anti-static mat or wrist strap is used for static protection, not a screw pad. C is incorrect as a pad is not designed for cleaning purposes. D is incorrect because alignment is handled by the drive bay or connectors, not a pad. Question 14. What is a key feature of laptop cameras that enhances their functionality for video conferencing? Is it A, built-in microphones on either side of the camera, B, support for NFC authentication, C, modular design for easy replacement, or is it D, ability to function without an operating system? The correct answer is A, built-in microphones on either side of the camera. Laptop cameras often have built-in microphones on either side, enabling clear audio capture during video conferencing and complementing the video functionality. B is incorrect because cameras are not typically used for NFC functions. C is incorrect as laptop cameras are usually integrated and not easily replaceable. D is incorrect because cameras require operating system drivers to function. Question 15. An organization wants to strengthen laptop security. The laptops support NFC technology. What is a common use case for NFC beyond point-of-sale transactions? Is it A, connecting to a wireless network, B, transferring large video files, C, upgrading the laptop's memory, or is it D, authenticating users? The correct answer is D, authenticating users. NFC is used for secure, short-range authentication using an NFC-enabled access card, enhancing security and efficiency. A is incorrect because NFC is not used for Wi-Fi connectivity. 802.11 handles that. B is incorrect as NFC's short range and low bandwidth make it unsuitable for large file transfers. C is incorrect because NFC is a networking technology, not related to memory upgrades. Cool beans! If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and check out www.asepstudios.com